how to change personal details in booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the personal details in booking.com. Let's get started. Open up any browser and head over to booking.com. Make sure that you're logged in and then tap on your profile in the top right. Now go to my account and then here you'll find a personal details option. So you need to go to personal details and then here you can edit your name, your display name. You can even change your email address. You can put in your phone number, your date of birth, your nationality, gender, address, passport details, and then also your profile picture. So you can easily update your personal details on your booking.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.